你去过泰国？
I want to work on my face.
Ah bon?
You're in the wrong class.
Is it French class? Okay, so hi everybody, 你们好。Welcome back. Thank you for coming. Was that 18 degrees outside?
How would you say thank you for coming slowly? Thank you for coming.
Okay, 谢谢，已经。Thank you for coming. 谢谢。
Or thank you for being here. What would you have to
谢
say?
谢你来上课。谢谢你来上课。Coming to take the class.
Right.
谢谢你来上课。谢谢你来上课。So last time we talked about last time Andrew wasn't here.
Make him sing like what?
So last time we talked about pinyin and what is Mandarin Chinese and what is not just Chinese that we talked about. And then we talked about pinyin. So we're gonna practice our pinyin. This is the initial. We're gonna have final today, and then we're gonna learn some numbers today. Okay, let's go. So we ready for? Okay, so this is the initial, you add final, and the tone mark, you have your pinyin. So, why don't you guys do it? Okay, I'm gonna say 1、2、3, we'll do it 1、2、3. So those are the initial, and then I'm going to share this with you. You guys all have this. And then chapter 3. This is the finals, okay? The finals are O, I, U, U. 好，来再一次O, I, U, U. Okay. That's right. Keep going. I, A, L, O. This is the hard one. Okay, you're gonna get confused sometimes. Okay, N, Ong. Okay. This one. Okay, let's start from here. O, I, U. I, A, L, O, N, Ong. Alright. We're ready for this.
Do you know what mongrel means?
It means like big. Like it's derogatory.
It's strong words.
Call it dog, dirty, mongrel.
Which one is mongrel?
That just makes mongrel seem so outdated.
Yeah. You would call someone who was like mixed.
Make mongrel great again.
It's like a mud.
That's what they would call it.
So this is like derogatory term?
Yeah.
Well, it's all about context.
It's not
Yeah,
words
it's very true.
Words of context.
But here's the thing: is
I would not go calling my children mongrels.
Yeah, you don't want anyone to call you sweet.
Mongrels are these. Is that a good way? A good adjective?
Yeah. Like, I'm not gonna go.
It's never good. Is it never good?
No, it's not.
Negative.
Mongrel.
Okay.
But it's fascinating to see it. It's fascinating.
Okay.
It's a good way of
Yeah. Mongrel, yeah, it's there.
Alright, so now it's show time. Alright, I'm show time for me. I'm gonna show you my pinyin song, and then you are gonna do yours. Let me see what he's going.
We're doing another pinyin song?
I didn't sign away for all the singing.
I know, let's come get.
There is no verb cut.
I know.
Done. Done.
Everybody loves songs. What are you like talking about? I love to sing.
Got a Portuguese class.
I love to sing. Where's my song?
Portuguese is really cool. It's really close to French.
Yeah. Like a mix of French.
Yeah. So you can understand a lot.
But you will have all this funding. Okay. So this is what I use for my actual Chinese one. 所以天啊，这个没有，它这个没有音乐，对不对？
什么音乐？
就是我要放音乐出来的话，我听到音乐好像都是从电脑里面出来，它这个电视是没有。
有啊，我刚刚有在放那个 YouTube 都可以啊。
哦，那你可以教我用一下吗。
你那个 HTML 有加上去吗？
有啊有啊。
你的 make sure 你的那个 mute 那个 sample 怎么 mute？
我
刚刚讲偏对，你的那个电脑。
对不对？
这个 setting。
Your computer, we're putting it together. This is authentic learning. That's what we should really do is like to be a fly on the wall. Y'all talk all day long, but let us know some of the.
That's how I learned Chinese.
But this is the kitchen, you know what I mean? But like,
Gary, any help with the sound?
let's figure it out.
Yeah,
There's control and uncontrolled learning and stuff. That's what's uncontrolled.
要有这样清楚。
You essentially a natural.
没关系，我先看他
Any language is you know the context of the conversation, and then you realize like we're all saying the same shit in just different ways. I'm not saying anything crazy other cultures don't say. We all say the same thing. We all talk about the same stuff.
Yeah.
It works.
If you look in the classroom, it's, hello, my name is, how are you? I'm
Right.
fine.
Oh, no, all these, it's yours.
这个都是我做的带回家，是不是
Yeah.
？OK。
Or, yeah, all this is yours.
Okay.
And the books for everyone, and all these is yours.
Books for everybody.
It's whatever leftover work. We just in case we.
就我这些我都要带回家，对不对？就1、2、3、4，这个我带回家，就带着，然后再带回来，就是每次这样。
It's up to you. OK，你可以留在那边，但是我觉得你还是拿走。
OK。
Oh my god.
谢谢。
Is that?
So disturbing.
No.
He's like dancing.
不是，
Did you? Was that your?
my 不是我的，不是我的。
Oh, okay. I was like, a lot of time on your hand, honey.
Dancing. Surfing.
Mine is right here.
Is this where you live?
This is so weird.
You think it's weird, you'll like it.
Okay. It's memorable.
It's gonna make
Alright,
me
this
a
is
spot.
my song. Alright, this is my song.
You're playing
I'm gonna sing
piano.
first, because nobody play instrument here, right?
I don't put it from.
Alright. A O E A I U U B A Ba P A Pa M A M F A Fa。这是我的歌，这是 my song. You guys are going to come up with your own song. And then you're gonna use all of it. You're gonna use all the initials and the finals. It doesn't include all the finals. All the finals. Let me see. Let me write it down. Let me write it down here. Here. Oh, you know what? They prepared this little board for you. You guys want to put it in? Maybe you can write it on your board, so you can
Have you man?
Woo!
Yeah.
Have you man?
Yeah, let me get it. Lancer, you want blue? Doesn't matter.
Yes.
And you-
my color.
It matches my eyes.
绿色，
绿色。
色，谢谢。啊，我这。
那你的，okay, you're gonna do.
I-
You give back?
Yeah, you can use it in the class. That's
Before I
it.
get up, I'm gonna write dirty
Yes,
words.
you
I'm
have
gonna
to.
do that. Or a whiteboard.
Alright. You open it. Why don't you guys? Okay, why don't we do 2 people in the group? We have 3 teams. However, is the pen okay? No. So why don't you write down here on your little bitty board? You have two boards. You can one is for the initial, one is for the finals. Where am I?
What day is it?
Today is the
14th of January.
Giant.
Just a medium. Oh my God, bro, I don't know how serious you're.
Alright,
I cracked my.
why don't I have two people in a group and then one person write down the initials and one person write down the finals so you guys can create your own song.
I don't know if you've ever.
Okay, this is a
I have everything I need. How the whole.
So how are we grouping? Like this group, this two? Oh, it's all here?
All right.
173. Yeah. Oh, Ellen is so smart. You say you have to that's
And so.
it's all here. So
You know what?
okay. Why don't you guys pick up your textbook? It's actually in your textbook. You don't have to write it down. Yeah, go out. Yeah, I have extra.
Even more.
Alright. Textbook 173. You guys actually don't have to write it down. It's in your textbook.
Okay, hold on, I gotta write it down.
173. Yeah, so Uncle Alan. That looks good. Alright.
Uncle Alan to everybody.
Big fish. You're the one musically inclined, so what are we doing?
So you are going to have a song that include all the initials and all the finals.
Just have to do.
A song, a beautiful song.
So, are they in the same? Are we doing the exact same one?
That's the one I get confused.
They don't have A, E, U, U.
A.
Yeah,
A is right here.
R, O, E, U, U, I, A, L, O, N, N,
It's the book.
Okay.
You're the track of the opening or just trying to go?
Alright.
Do we combine what we did last week or are we just focusing on the finals?
We combine both. We combine the initials and the
All this.
all this.
This page, you want to make a song out of this page.
Yes. Why don't I give you 7 minutes or 10? Yeah, this page. R O E U U I A L O N N O.
This is all made up.
Yes, we made up whatever we want.
Probably.
I think so.
Right, something. Good for you. So, further.
Are we doing?
What song do we want to do?
No, I'm just, I just play that existing.
It's all here.
As in sheep. Finish sheep as in sheep.
I don't think she's asking us to combine. She's asking us to combine the D sounds and E sounds, not to combine them together. Just sing the song.
Okay, so I'll just use
We don't like that. Feels right.
They did, it really did. I don't know these sounds. Okay, so sure eats.
Andrea, can you scroll down to like
The finals?
the finals are strange, are more difficult. The initials are easier.
Yes.
I just need to see because it doesn't really do that. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm just still worried.
Yes.
Bring it back, right? Make it. You're gonna have a quick cover time. I sure did. I tried, now it's cool, but it is dry, it's also, no, actually, I feel like it has like almost a bell too, so it's not expensive. To me, so it sure is. I heard it yesterday first time, but I've been talking about it for a while, but.
It's sweeter, it's drier, it's.
I tried it, you don't.
We have learned, we have learned.
What has the pepper taste?
It's purple yin.
Purple, yeah.
It's surprising, there's a taste I was not expecting at all. It's much more dark here, it feels like I'm just eating potatoes versus sweet potato, which is. But let's look.
Yes.
Can you also use like a little stuff?
Yes, I'll use myself.
It's in public domain.
Are you done?
Pay royalties to somebody for this one?
Yeah, I'm not dying to do
So we got
I'm not dying to do this. What I want to do is like, I would love to have like a list of 5 other words that sound. You give me one example below. You give me crow below. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know levels of showing. Right. I'll be honest with you. I don't want to start. I don't want to say that. This is, I don't want to be rude. I just like this isn't what I said. I want to learn right now.
Well, you want me Cody sing by himself?
Cody, I don't think Cody's not his. I don't think Cody wants to sing that. Cody's not.
Okay, we will learn, why don't you practice the sound?
Right, that's what I want.
So this is the one I wrote to you last time.
This is how you learn your
Yeah, this is how I learned in Taiwan.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know this way too?
I studied at food, so they made us learn that.
Who that?
We're in that, it's a university.
Andrew, can you scroll it?
Okay,
Okay, here, I'll do it.
what do you need?
I usually it's.
Oh, you want the top part?
I'm trying to figure out.
I'm gonna know. I don't understand.
Yeah.
Okay, they're there. Father. I wonder what that means.
But this is fascinating to see because okay, so
Yeah.
I might have a
It
word.
just took a while.
In Russian, this is a new to me. When I see this, my brain will always.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But this is, I guess, their end.
Oh.
And I can see it's a little. You can see. Yours.
Then
Okay. It defies my imagination.
Yeah, that's.
On the other side, this is a P to me.
Yeah, and that one looks like an F if you just.
Okay.
I mean, that's how I learned it. Was
But
kind
I can see the M, I can see the F. Hold on, is it wrong? Yeah. You just don't finish it out.
It's right here.
Home.
I,
Oh, there it is, because they all.
A, L, O,
I,
Words on there.
A,
Use this.
O,
That's what she was.
yes.
I'm used.
Do you want this, the letter thing help you out?
It does.
We're actually doing a little bit.
Yeah, I want to learn.
It helps.
They do use
I see it go.
If you want to shortcut it, you use English, use penny. But it's kind of good to know both, so you could, like, I could go in.
On.
Have my kid.
and
I don't know.
Is this an?
Yes, is it
And see, it's interesting,
on?
were these phonetics,
On.
did Chinese people come up with these phonetics with these English words, or should have been someone in it?
It's,
What might,
it's communist when they try to do simplify. They have to
Right.
have a way to people to learn it fast and use
Right.
this romantic letter to help people to pronounce. Otherwise,
the
they have
owl
to-
for cow was
yeah,
fantastic.
they all have to
That is
learn the
cow.
book. See, if you guys see this
That's
part,
what I
this is what I learned in Taiwan. Okay,
That's awesome.
this is what I learned in Taiwan. Yeah, Zhui.
Yeah.
So this is pinyin. It's a lot easier. Yeah, a lot easier.
Being is easier than Zhui.
Yes. Otherwise, you have to learn the whole new alphabet.
Bring it on, let's go with it.
Yes.
No.
Although in Taiwan, like in children's books, they'll have the character and then the Zui written
Yeah.
next to it,
Yes.
so the kids can
It
read
gives
it.
them the phonetics.
It's hard. Yeah.
So is this
Yeah, that's these things. That's just so you experience. So you put like this with that. Those two are the next two form of sound. Right? Now there's also in Zhuyin, you have a thing that Andrew, you have another thing that indicates tone in Zhuyin, right?
Yes.
So you have like initial, final, tone. So that way we get both.
You can see on your textbook has
Yeah,
it.
no.
Yeah, your textbook has it.
On the first one, I noticed a bunch of those. Then it stopped doing it after that.
That's how children read in Taiwan when they're first learning the characters.
Lucky.
They learn so yeah, I think they're starting to develop their own too, right?
It took them 3 years to develop.
In mainland China.
Yes.
But is Taiwan developing their own system?
Zhuyin is from the old time.
Probably from China.
Yeah, Zhuyin is all, yeah, they've been using Zhuyin all the time, it's just Pinyin is new.
But what I was asking is I thought Taiwan developed their own system to read.
Yeah, these.
The Taiwan system is all from China.
That's what I.
It's Chinese government changed to Pinyin and simplified.
It's almost as.
I know Taiwan has their own system of romanticizing words.
Oh, you mean the Taiwan's Pinyin?
It looks completely different than China's.
So the Hanzi is simplified in Taiwan?
Hanzi is simplified,
No, the actual characters are.
it's more complicated, it's traditional in Taiwan. So this is what you learn,
Understood what you said.
is the traditional one. Alright, do we want to sing together maybe?
Yes.
Alright, why don't we sing together?
Small class.
Let's get it over. Okay, why don't we open the page 173, 173, we can all use that and then sing it, yes.
This is beyond random. Do capital letters exist in Chinese?
We don't have.
Do you capitalize wool in the beginning of a sentence?
No, we don't.
You wouldn't have to worry about
We
that.
don't have.
I see Taiwanese names that use pinyin, I'll usually see the first.
Oh, you mean the pinyin part
Or
or?
for sure, but the writing natural
No,
Chinese.
the writing is the same.
Nothing's capitalized.
No. What?
Nothing.
You can ask questions. Alright, we wanna see?
Yeah.
Alright, Mom, ready? Alright, 1、2、3。No.
Is anyone having fun?
Alright, so that's the final part is harder because this part is.
There's more finals, right, or like combined finals?
You can combine.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, to tell like English, you need to have a vowel.
Yeah.
Turn
Yeah, that's all this.
Okay, so we have fun. We sing the song.
Also, they got it in.
Yeah.
It really does go hand in hand. Oh, fun. This. And then you learn to care. Got it.
Okay, so now we're gonna learn some numbers. We all know numbers here.
Okay.
How to know how to write it?
I don't think everyone.
Wow.
Okay, why don't you guys write down 1 to 10 for me on your little board?
We didn't learn that.
We haven't learned that yet.
We didn't learn that.
I can write
Down
down
1
1
to 4.
Alright, try it.
1, and then 2, and
We did not.
That was just.
4 is a lot.
Right?
You can't write it. It's like something like that.
The pen is pretty bad. Do they have a?
I think my pen is just bad.
Is your pen? I think everybody's pen is bad because I look at told you.
They said in the warehouse.
Doing them now.
Oh, yeah, they're dried out.
Oh, they give us this. Oh, you're gonna have some. Okay, why don't we write down in here then? You're gonna have a practice book.
Oh, it's a practice book?
Practice.
Oh, no.
Oh, Andrew, you take a look first, okay? You take a look first.
Yeah, we did learn how to read.
Am I close?
You have to, close, that's 八, that's not you.
I know it's 8, I knew it.
Yeah.
I'm just bringing together what I knew.
Right.
Oh.
Alright, let's do our number.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Write this number. Oh, two. Oh, good.
Okay, I got 3.
You got yours then? Okay. We all got yours then, right? I'm gonna make it bigger, don't worry, okay? It's all here, I'm gonna. You're gonna do it. Huh?
So wear glasses.
Move him up to the front. Yes, actually, so.
E.
I have a big one here, I make my student write down these.
So as we practice, can you show us the stroke order?
Yes, at least for the numbers, we need to know the stroke order,
Okay.
okay? At least, they give me. Do I have? Yes. It's this.
So like starting with 4.
Oh, it's starting with 4. Alright.
Down, over, down.
Good guess, good guess.
No.
Alright. Good try. Alright, so 4. Always on top to bottom 4. And then this is one stroke. And then
Okay.
left to right, and you always close it at the end. 4.
Right.
4. Alright. Okay, then 5.
5, top to bottom.
So it's,
So top one, left to right, always one left to right.
uh-huh.
And then top to the bottom. 5.
Is it down at an angle? Or is it
Yes.
Triangle.
It's at a little angle. And then this, I know I have to write a very, this is one stroke.
Okay. And then finish off?
Yes, you finish off, closing. They touch each other, yes. 5. Yes.
And then the other?
And then Leo, dot go first.
The dot goes first?
Okay, dot go first. From the top to the bottom, all right? And then the line from left to right. And Leo, left and right.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And chi.
Chi. Chi's like a lowercase t, right?
So is it, did you do the L part first or you do the cross?
You do the line first. You do this one, left to right. And then this.
The hook is right
T.
Yeah, I'm like, alright.
You hook
Is it
the bottom on
Yeah, do you,
T, or is that just like a style?
It's a different style. You don't have to have the
You
hook.
can put it though, can't you?
It's just the font.
It's a font.
Yes, it's the font. And then ba, kind of like the dad's mustache.
Yeah.
Kind of like mustache.
Wow.
oh, that's fine. Bye-bye.
Ba, yeah.
Is that why August 8th is,
Yes.
Father's Day.
So association, yes. Where our Father's Day
it's
is
8/8.
8/8. Ba.
That's
Ba.
Hmm?
You gotta be careful for your ba, because if you write down like this is 人. Oh, my Chinese is so crazy. This is 人. Alright, if you write down like this is 入. Alright, if you write down like this is okay. Ru means to come in. It's a verb. Enter, yes. And then, what else my student? Okay. My student write down fa like this. This is another word, is ji.
Okay, hold on. So there are
Fa is like that, separate.
separate, but was one higher than the other? Because your looks like my ba.
Okay. Your bar up there is okay.
Okay.
Your bar, the is kind of like, oh, yes.
Those look like five words in Chinese. Look at me, your Earl looks like one dot.
Okay, 八, alright. Then 九, let's do 九. Which way is the
You make the swoosh and then
You make the hook, the whole thing first? You got 50% chance got
Or
it.
just be like me and struggle, it doesn't matter. It didn't get there.
Oh, but this one does have a hook. This one does have a hook.
Okay, which one is that?
九.
九.
Okay, 九. Yes. 九. And then 十. Oh, Connor, which one goes first? Yes.
There we go, I got it.
十.
Now, it's a cross where it doesn't meet in the middle, it meets at the top?
It's mean more in the top. Yes.
Okay. So if I just do like a plus sign, that's not correct.
It's not correct. Okay.
I'm gonna make it a little smaller.
So for this is 1 to 10. Okay. How about 11?
Isn't it 10-1? Gee.
11. Okay, so Chinese is easy. It's 10 and 11. Alright, it's 11, 10 and 11.
Good batteries.
Alright, 12. 12. Okay, and then 13, and all the way to 20 is 20. So 20, right? 210. 210 is
And then it's the same, so
it's how you pronounce it. A lot of mistake I noticed from my student is, okay, give me some numbers right now, give it a try. Give me this 4 number. Yeah, write it down, write it down. 写下来, write it down. Give me this 4 number using that. Alright, using that. Give it a try. Give it a try. Let me see if I block. Okay, I block it better. I'm gonna write it bigger, okay? Yeah. 33, 46, 57, 56, 57, and 98.
I didn't know.
Alright.
Careful.
Yeah, what you.
This classroom is not very
Class friendly.
yeah, it's like I have things everywhere. And the board is tiny.
Okay, all right, so
Oh,
I'm gonna shoot. You did not just bring markers with you.
No,
This is like, what a teacher.
What a teacher. But that marker is
Every
bad.
time.
I'm gonna ask them to buy more markers. That marker is.
Okay, so is it first show?
It's the first one. Okay. And then the next one is
48,
46.
46, all right, so
57 and.
sure, so.
You wanna check mine?
Oh, let's see.
My handwriting is awful, but.
I got it. Sound good. I'm using one. Who wants one? A proper marker.
Yeah.
Did you take it from other bathroom?
No, man, I'll bring it back.
Oh, because they are very strict with this. Baba Bush, well, yeah, it's good. Baba Bush is, they complain.
Down from the heavens. Write this down.
Oh, Ellen, very good handwriting.
Oh,
He didn't say that about mine.
Okay, well, we gotta be careful. Did I write out differently? Because I noticed
Oh, yeah.
it's gonna go over. Okay, this part gonna go over.
So, what's that one, 56?
So far, so good.
Cowboys are losing 7-0.
Nobody's surprised.
I was always surprised.
And the Packers got a
7, 7, 7.
Okay.
就50是6
我的
可以，很好。That's right.
外面
Be careful your bar. Okay.
那个哦，
Yeah, be careful your bar.
90
很好。
90 is
好，good job. Okay. So now it's math time. Okay, why don't we form a circle?
form circle.
Let's get out and form a circle. We're not playing a game.
是有 math。
Yeah, math time. Oh, math time. Form a circle. So this game is, if you need to see the board, you can stand up right here. So this game is, we're gonna do 1, 2, and then 3, you cannot say 3, you have to clap your hand. Whatever is multiplied by 3, or there's a 3 in there, you have to clap your hand instead. Okay, let's practice one. Maybe too much math for McWarren. Okay, let's
She's not wrong.
No, why don't you go first?
1、2、
4、5、
Joe. No. Leo.
But Leo, instead of saying Leo, you had to clap your hand because it's multiplied by 3.
I was told there wouldn't be math.
Okay.
Okay, 7、哦
8、
10、11、
11、
21、
11。我13 is a tricky one because it has 3 in it, so you have to clap your hand too. And then 14。
16、17、
19、210。
20.
21。Alright, keep going till 30, okay?
Yeah.
我是21。
Oh,
2。好。Okay, good job. They're fast.
25。
25。
It does have one.
28。
29。
No, you don't.
You don't have to clap.
And then, okay, let's start from E again. Let's try to see how what's the number we can reach. Okay, if we can reach that. Okay, E go.
E.
What are we doing?
Okay, same thing. We just start over. We start over.
Okay, come on.
4、
5、 7、
8、 10、
11。
12。What?
I clap.
No.
12。
Oh, damn it.
Alright, we got to 12 this time. Let's try one more time.
Watch
people. Tony, why don't you start? Okay.
1、2、
Hold on. 4.
5。
6。
I'm ready this time.
push-ups.
Yes.
Okay, one more time. Let's see. Okay, Andrew, why don't you start?
1、2、
4。
Hold on. I guess
5、7、
8、
10、
11。
12.
Oh, it's dessert this time. Dessert at the club. Alright, good try, good try. Take a seat. Okay, is it fun?
Nah.
Ah.
We're too stupid for that.
Okay, so this is the homework. Right, this is the homework for the number. Let's practice the homework.
Okay.
So I want to see your hands. Alright, so 1、
1、
2、
2、
3、
3、
4、
4、
5、
5、
6、
6、
7、
7、
8、
8、
9。
9、
Okay, 9, and then 10. Okay, so we have 5 tones, okay? This is the first tone. Right, E, okay, let me see. So we have 5 tone marks. Usually my student has a hard time for 4 tone because when we say in our conversation, we don't say 四, we say 四. Okay, so it's kind of hard time for them to.
Why is it angry?
Why is chi like the arrow bigger? Is it chi? The down
Which one?
6.
Which one are we talking about?
六.
六.
Leo.
Why is the arrow longer?
Longer.
Yo!
Starts on the 5th line.
Yeah, it starts very tough.
Alright, so 六. Okay, it's the same.
Or
It's
you
just
don't
the
want
way.
Alright.
It's just the way. Alright, so this is the first tone. This is the flat, okay? This is E. And then going up. The second tone. Down and up. Third tone. Going down.
It's like
Fourth tone. Okay? We do have a fifth tone. It's a neutral. It means it doesn't have nothing. It should be a dot on it, but it has nothing.
Have nothing.
That is a fifth tone. Okay, that's a fifth tone.
But does it really count if it's nothing?
Like ma.
Like ma, 你好吗? It's nothing. No, 你呢? Alright, so no, there's no tone mark. Means a new. It should have a dot, but the simple by simple the dot. Okay.
I guess it's flat. The nothing then?
Flat is longer. Like ma, mama, mama,
Okay.
ma.
Okay.
Okay, because a little dot. Mama. Okay. So this is the tone mark. So the next slide, okay, we want to talk about the U is covered. So Chinese, the numbers like in here, we have lucky number. What's the lucky number in here?
7.
7.
Yeah.
Why is it lucky? What's the 7 number?
Odds of rolling is.
Oh, like America,
higher.
nice.
America and the US culture.
3 or 7?
3 and 7.
For global numbers.
I mean, culturally, 3 is important.
Yeah, I guess
Left
that's the
is
time.
the Trinity and.
And then 7, the number because you roll the dice. 7 comes the most.
Yes.
How about any more lucky number?
13.
Not
13 is not. Wait, why is the 13 not lucky?
Friday 13.
But why Friday?
In superstition, there's something bad or.
Is it
Something
the
religion, like 666 too, right?
Oh, that.
Yeah, the sign of bees.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 666 and 13 aren't bad.
I would say none of these are like US, they're all European.
They're like European religion stuff.
There's no US, it'll come from Europe.
Hey,
anyway.
whoa.
Stop
yourself.
To be honest.
No, nothing like those numbers those bad lucky numbers come from Europe, I think.
Yeah, because our
Or the world.
forefathers, so to
Yeah,
speak.
yeah.
How far?
Those of us in here.
Right. Okay. So for Chinese, we do have bad numbers. Okay, I think some of us already know. 4 扣4为什么? Why is it 4?
because it sounds like death.
It's fun.
Okay, so 4 is the fourth tone, right? So 4, this word is 死.
That's funny.
Okay, 死 means death. It's only one tone mark different. Okay, 4 is this, right? And then this is 死.
How would you say there were 4 deaths on the highway?
4人伤亡 ，OK， 4人死亡 ，OK， so 4 and 4, so 4 is a bad number. How about good number? 8为什么 ？Why is it 8 good?
I have never heard why.
Okay, so 8 is a saying of
你知道我是你知道是吗？为什么？
不知道. So 8 is good number, and then 6 is also a good number because just the Chinese saying 六六大顺 okay? 6 is a good number, 8 is a good. 8 is sound like 发 is to get rich. Okay, so 1 6 is everything goes smoothly to your way, and then 8 is to get rich. You know how Chinese people like money, right? So if you see a license plate, it has 8 people pay a lot of money for that license plate. Or 168 means 一路发, or you get rich all the way. Okay, so 8 is a good number, 6 is a good number, 4 is not a good number. So what kind of?
Can I interrupt for just a second?
Yeah, go ahead.
Story.
Yes.
So we have hanging tags at our school for, with numbers on them to indicate staff cars. She's one of two Chinese people on her campus at Kappa High School. Her hanging tag number, 444.
This is my tag number. How lucky I am.
Somebody doesn't like you.
Yeah, somebody.
Yeah.
Chinese teacher, right?
Yeah, I'm the Chinese Jack. I'm at high school. Yeah, so my parking tag is 444.
They really?
Now, yes.
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 Hilarious.
I was telling my student too. It was funny. Yes.
Oh, that's weird because
For all the teachers,
No,
they
no.
set up the random number. They gave out
Yeah,
random.
random numbers, just
But
like the Chinese teacher gets.
Vicky and I are lucky number 4.
Wait, what? Why?
I don't know. That was our lucky. That's always been our lucky number.
4. So my tag, my parking tag, because Gary was telling the class my tag number is 444. And then, so usually in Taiwan, what facility will have 4?
Mortuary.
Floor.
Fourth floor.
And Erica is 13.
Yeah.
13.
Sometimes.
In hospital, we won't have 4th floor because no patient will leave the death floor, right?
You go through that.
You go to the death floor. So you will have, you can see the point, the button is 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? And then you go to the restaurant, they won't say 4位, they will say 3加1, 3 plus 1. You have 4 people, you go there, they say 3加1, they don't say 4. Okay, 3加1. And the hotel, of course, you don't have 4 as well, because nobody will leave the list.
Oh, so when we go out to dinner and it's just 4 of us, I need to say 3加1.
3加1. But in Taiwan, I don't know about here, I know people.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 3加1, we don't say 4.
But we usually take your mom with us, so.
So we have 5.
That's fine.
Okay, so that's the number. That's the number. So next is something related to the number. Okay, so I was telling my student, when I learn English, I have to do this Monday, Tuesday, all the day. I have to remember. For Chinese, we're easy. You only need to remember 星期.
Yeah.
Okay, when we say 星期,
星期
星期一, we start from Monday. Okay, so 星期一 and 星期星期三, 星期四, 星期五, 星期六. How about Sunday?
The special one, right?
It's a special one. You didn't get tricked, guys.
It's like,
It's a Sunday. Yes.
Right.
I don't know what's that tension.
You can say one or the other, right? 星期日 or 星期天.
The slideshow doesn't work. We should have the.
Just write it.
Okay, 星期日 is not 星期七. Okay, it's not 星期七, 星期日.
But there's 2 ways to write Sunday, right?
That's Sunday.
Sunday.
星期天.
Uh-huh. 天 is like heaven, right?
T-I-A-N.天will be a sky. Okay, 星期日. 日 is sun. Okay, 星期日.日. Okay, this itself, it means sky. Okay, the word itself means sun. But together, 星期日 and 星期天 means Sunday. Which one is more common? They're both equally.
Oh, perfect. They have 2 words.
There are 2 words for Sunday.
No rhyme or reason.
No.
Okay.
星期
So
日,
you're Sky Day or
星期天.
Sunday?
Which one do you say, Cody? 星期日.
You singular?
I use it both.
You both
We don't
use
even
both equally often. I don't know which one is more often.
fun.
Is Levi one Taiwan?
Yeah, 礼拜 is it's another way. 周一, 周二, 周三. There's different way to say the week. This is more common. This is more common.
星期
星期.
星期
星期.
七
星期 go up. 星期 okay, go up. 星期. Okay.
How would you try it? So, because I thought 天人 day, does it 星期 actually mean day, day 1, day 2, day 3?
星期 means week.
That
The first day of the week. Yeah, 星期 is
Okay.
week. So first day of the week, second day of the week.
So 2个星期 is 2 weeks?
2个星期 is 2 weeks.
Got it. So the word by itself means week, but then you added a quantifier that
Right.
turns into day 1 of the week. Got it.
星期
So the whole week, but this is day 1 of the week, day 2 of the week.
Yes. Alright. So that's week. And there is another way. See, Chinese people, we are lazy, so we're smart.
Lazy?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said crazy.
Lazy.
Lazy.
So I want to show you about.
They're more crazy than lazy.
Are you doing months now?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the month.
Like 1,
Yes, I would do.
2, month 3, month 4.
Yeah.
Very logical.
That makes sense though, actually. Yeah, but he was confused when she was learning English. She was like, oh.
No, I have to remember all this month has a name too.
Thursday.
And then I get August and October coming all the time. You see the oh, this is what it comes back to this. We'll have to teach you a tongue twister.
Well, counting for me is weird because like 3 comes out. Well, no. It's like if
What
I
is
want
nothing now?
you can't say like
So the numbers in Chinese?
you want 2 pizzas. Like,
That wasn't.
you would say 2 pizzas versus like 2 slices. Like
Oh, you mean the two, the quantity two and.
yeah, like
quantity two?
yeah, with like is or you only use ge in terms of counting like units, but if you were to say like you wouldn't say like 2个 冰淇淋.
You're talking about measure words.
Measure word?
Yeah.
Yeah, measure word is
You'd be like-
hard.
2球冰淇淋.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, but not like
Or if it's too big of ice cream, the whole container itself.
Yeah, or like there's one for like big animals and small animals.
Yes.
Okay, I can't find it. Alright, so
Yeah.
It's covered for a pizza, so there's a difference.
Because it's just slice or
two slices of
you ask
pizza.
for pizza, they're gonna 2
You want
pizzas.
2 huge, what?
Alright, so I can't find my slide. Alright, so 一月, if you write down this character for me, 月. Alright, 月. Y-U-E, 月. The tone marks is always on the vowel. 一月. Alright, 一月 is January.
Do they connect?
They connect.
Oh, so
I'm
it's
sorry.
1月.
一月. They connect.
January.
January, 一月. And then February will be
2月.
二月.
Got it. 3月.
And then 三月 all the way to 12月.
2月 is month, right?
一月 is month, yes. Or it could be moon. Okay? Moon or month.
Second month,
Okay.
third month.
Yes. So this word means moon. Just the 月 itself. 月 itself means moon or month.
Yeah.
Yes. 一月, 二月, 三月. Okay, why don't 月 means month. How about the day? 日, 很好. Alright, good job. Why don't you write down your birthday for me on the little board? Alright. You write down your, remember 月 is month and then 日 is the day. Okay, so
What order does it go in?
Yeah.
it goes from the month and then the 日.
Month, day,
Okay.
but year goes before month.
I know the year.
Okay.
It's okay. Just the month and day. Month and day.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Okay. So write down your birthday on it. Yeah, here, use my pen.
Yeah. All right, so. Month. Think that.
Can you say it for me?
Okay, 4月13日.
对，很好，good job. What have you done? Okay.
4月
2月
13日.
很好。Okay. This one.
I don't remember how to pronounce that one.
日 R-I 日
Arsha, anyway,
Where's the number? Okay, so this is February.
Okay. So 20月 is 20th month. 就完了12月 right? So 10 and 2.
Can't you?
The date of year, so February 20th.
If you say instead of year, you can say how.
Yes.
Yeah.
The yeah.
Yeah, okay.
13日, let's say 13号.
So it will be, can you read it for me? Yes.
So how should you say this? 2月 是吧？2月是吧？
It's on the I and going down.
How's my handwriting?
So we're doing this part.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Same here.
it's getting better.
No.
Okay, Egan, you the surgery, okay. Can you say it for me?
是一为是无
对，很好。好的，你的。
以为是吧？
很好，Good job。OK，guess what's 我的生日？
你的生日吗？啊，你知道吗？你们知道。
今天1月10啊，今天今天 OK， 今天是I know， 今天 I'm still here too, right？ 今天 OK， 这是我的生日，谢谢。So 日see the number we use a lot of place. Okay, so 1月 Monday, oh but not Monday, January. But how about a month? Yes, today's my birthday.
Is it really her
This is my birthday.
Cross my heart, yes.
So 1月 is January. How do we say 1 month?
一个
月
Oh, 很好. So you will say 一个. You gotta put the measure word. I'll teach you. If it's a little too fast, don't worry. I'll teach you. 一个月, okay? So you put a measure word inside. Yes.
一个星期，
一个星期，
一个年，
So
不是一年，
an error.
一个年，
一年，不用是一个年，就是一年。
一年。Oh, so that's an exception. You don't have to qualify.
也不算反
It's almost understood.
一个月 that means 1 month.
Yeah. Wait, so it's like an arrow up. That's
Yes.
Okay.
Kind of like an umbrella.
Okay.
Okay. So 个 is kind of like so 个 if you put 个 because how do you distinguish since 1月 means January 1 month will be 一个月 otherwise you get confused with January right?
Oh, right.
两个
一个
一个月 yes. Okay, what do we take? This is the number. Okay, 5 minutes break. I'll
So
come back.
would you say 两
两个月
年？
两年 that's right.
So for a year, I don't have to quantify. I don't have to go ever.
You don't have to go.
Is it wrong if I do? And it sticks out to you like
Smack you.
right. Not even like, oh, it's wrong. We don't pay it. So you want to quantify month, week. That's it.
Yeah, 一天 we say day 天两天三天
Because when you write years, you just say the numbers, the digits.
Yes.
Like
Okay. If you want to say
1994
your okay,
each year.
Gary brought up a good question. So 你的生日 your birthday, I asked you the month and the day, right? So what if we want to put the year? Okay, let's put the year. So Chinese year, you just put a, okay, I'm gonna reveal my age, I guess. All
You can
right.
put mine up there.
Okay. So, E
What century was I born?
19
19.
82
8.
Alright, so 1982 you just say the number. You say 1982. Alright, you don't say 19. Not like in here. You say 2025. We just say 2025.
So
Oh, very literal.
19.
That's what it takes.
Yep.
You just have to know your numbers.
Yeah, 1982 is my
Don't
birth
pass
year.
10 anyway.
Oh, okay.
I'm 1984.
And then
One
the
nine-
year goes before the
191.
month.
Oh, 4 you said.
Yeah, the year goes before
That's
the month.
beyond easy.
Yeah, the year. So go by the time. Go by big to small.
So you just say like okay, so you don't say 19.
You don't say 19. We don't say
You just say
1982.
1970 or something.
It's
Yeah.
so literal. But just
Yeah.
like in French, we're literal, but a different literal way.
Yeah.
You do so much about
So in French, the same way you,
So you
you
live
just
on
say the
the-
number or you say the 1982.
Moi, je suis né le 3e d'avril 1980.
No, that's how. No, we're thinking French. It's the way, because it's
French
too, it's very
yeah.
number. We're also literal. Just it's like 1998 would be 1998. That's also very literal approach.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So you're
So you say the 1000.
1,000.
Similar, but
So in Chinese, you just say the number 1982, and then the year go from first, and then the month and the day. Okay, the month and the day.
Okay, so
Okay, let's take 5 minutes break. Open the textbook page 3. You can see all the vocabs. Page 3 because I don't have it downloaded. I'm gonna download. So eventually you see this share drive is gonna share with you. Alright, we'll have all the material I have to use. And then we have level 2, but it just wasn't speaking to level 2. Okay.
Yeah, Vicky laughed at me. She's like, "You're not level 2." Yeah, so level 1 is like beginning level 2 is like some.
Okay, have you noticed all the tone mark is on the vowel? Okay, we got vocabulary right now. Page page 3, I'm sorry, 3. Yes. 3. Yes. Okay, you see the first word, how do we pronounce it? Ning. Okay, going up, ning. Okay, one more time, ning. And second one, 好. Sorry. 我正好请问一下，就是这本书有那个电子版，对不对？
有。
对。
It almost sounds like nigga. You know what I'm hearing?
Yeah, that's a verbal filler.
And I haven't heard a lot naturally. I haven't heard a lot naturally. But
I was thinking about life the first time.
Okay.
Choose wrong.
刚到就是我们他们的 folder 里面，这样我们上课的时候有可以拿出来。
It's like she's.
That's fun.
Writing with all
对，练习本需要，对，可以麻烦你。
It's a filler. It's just like fascinating. 对。
Finland Japanese is like.
对。So I'm asking for them to download this the PDF file for us, so you will have it in your folder, and I can project it on here too, because right now I don't have it. Alright, so 第一个您 okay, 您 对不对？您 okay, 您 if you can see, it looks like 你 but it has a heart under it. You respect this person, you say it with your heart. Okay, so 您 is a respectful way to say.
I was about to say, what are you looking at?
Yeah, it's a heart.
You, okay.
That's a heart. This is heart.
Do you see a heart? I don't see it.
It's right here.
Okay.
Chinese heart. This is Ding. This is Chinese heart.
This
This
little
is
thing,
Chinese
3.
This is Ding.
This little deal.
This whole thing is the
Oh,
heart.
from well, I
Yes.
provide.
I doesn't have this. I doesn't have this.
Oh, I thought you.
Yeah, I doesn't have.
Good love. Take it quick.
I don't know. Oh yeah, I does have this.
Ah.
I'm too
Yeah.
familiar with the simple one. 对不起. Okay, I does have. Alright. So Sting, it means heart, and then you respect this person with your heart. So Ning is a respectful way. You should say with your customer, okay, or people just older than you.
Who do you say need to in your life?
Who do I say 您呢？我 respect 我的老师，我 say 您好。
That's each other. Even though you're
Yeah.
the same age and you do the exact same
Yeah, just
job.
kind of like when you first met this person, you want to be respectful.
Right,
But
right,
if
right.
we are more familiar with one another, we use 你.
Okay, if you two don't know each other the first time, would you be offended or annoyed, irritated if she did not say need to say Yama the first time?
你好吗 is not really offensive.
Right.
But if I'm older than her a little bit.
Right. Especially that you know better.
Right.
It's like you met full law or.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah.
Right. It's the essence of respect.
Yeah, she isn't.
She doesn't. What is that?
It's like an informal hello and a more formal. You would use more formal like.
But if you see your
or your elders.
yes. Like the first time you to meet your in-laws, you would say.
But 你们好，你们
Okay. 你们有。
你们呢？OK， 第二个好，大家说好。
好，
我姓王，叫什么名字是人。Alright, this is our vocabulary this time. And the phrase is 请问 the 11 11请问对，请问贵姓 贵姓 is a very polite way to say 你叫什么名字 don't really say 你叫什么名字 alright it's more like a 老师 to student you say 你叫什么名字
Okay.
but if you were equal and then we first met 您贵姓 okay I'll say 您贵姓 something like that is more polite
Your surname, your
what's your
family.
surname okay it's in the back I'll teach you okay 这13哪国人哪国人美国人您呢台湾人 This is how much we have to write for Taiwan with 台湾人
你的台湾人。
对你呢 is just how about you and you so you don't have to repeat the whole question
Oh, so no, so just 你台湾人。
我是美国人。
我说我是美国人你呢
对。
OK 我是台湾人你知道吗
你是美国人。
我也是
你没有啊
对我也是美国 OK next page Okay, the proper noun is just the first one is just a name. Okay, and then 美国、台湾。补充生词 the number 20 is 他 Okay, you see we talk about 他 if it's pronounced you don't have gender, but if it's written we do have gender. Okay. I think I make a mess to the board.
Yeah, that board's off.
I know, it's supposed to always be eraser.
Leave board cleaner.
Okay.
I can bring it next time. I'll steal some from New Tech.
That's weird.
So the cover one you have ta is him or he. This is she.
You said there wasn't ginger language.
Yes, when you say it, but in
Okay.
written, you told me.
You
lied. Gender. So ta. Okay. See, this is the female radical. A lot of female name. Okay, if you like name or a lot of title. Okay. So if you guys say ma, you don't know this character, but this I'm right up in tradition.
Oh.
It's simplified.
Stop.
So
You're gonna get fired, but.
I'm getting fired. Okay, so ma, you see the lady radical. And then this is 婆means
Grandmother.
grandmother from the mother side. So you see the lady radical and 姐 older sister. 姐姐 you see the radical and then 妹妹 younger sister. Okay, you see all the lady radical? Oh. You know the radical, you know the 姐姐
Where's, I don't see female or.
Yeah, they didn't write it here.
They only put
Can you add on your notes? Add on your notes.
I'll put it.
I'm gonna teach you the female one. Okay, ta.
So.
Yeah, add on your notes. So this
And the
is
male one is
she.
just run.
She. Okay, so it's pronounced exactly the same ta.
It's the same time.
Same ta. Okay.
Ta.
Ta. Okay, same ta. Ta.
Santa.
Same ta.
Santa.
Okay, the same ta. Alright, ta. This is her or she. Ta. And this is an example for all the lady. Okay, the lady radical. You got mom, mama. You got mom's mom. You got your older sister, your younger sister. Okay.
So that's ma, that's not mama.
That's mama.
That's mama?
That's mama.
But wouldn't it be the ma twice?
Yeah, you can do this, mama.
Okay.
Yes.
You can do this.
Efficiency.
Alright. And then this is 婆 like my
That's what we call my mother-in-law.
Cool.
Po.
You know, you, but she wouldn't call it that.
I call her Po. Ever since we had kids, I call her Po.
Alright.
Cool. But you wouldn't call your mom that.
For my mom.
Right.
Yeah, this is my.
Sometimes she'll say Po. If she's talking like,
Yeah.
Tell Popo or say
Yeah.
thank you to Popo or right?
or she's around.
They make me call her Onion.
Onion.
Isn't that Korean? I know.
Yeah.
I think Anyang is
Anyang, sorry, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, no, not Anyang, it's Enyang.
What does that mean?
It's like,
It's like ancient grandma. Or like,
it's a
grandma.
royalty, right? That's the
And we
emperor.
have to like bow and.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did.
Enyang.
Yeah.
Enyang is the emperor's mother, it's called Enyang.
Okay.
Okay. So that means she married an emperor.
Yes.
She has a very healthy sense of self-esteem.
No, she's just funny because she knew if I told her, it's like, he doesn't know any better, so if I teach him the first time this way, he'll continue doing it.
Love it.
And then everyone laughs when I do it in public. It's like,
Yeah, but I love it to see.
yeah, now I know the joke.
Oh, she knows what she's doing.
So as you can see, all the toe mark is on the vowel. But there are two vowels here. Why is it on the E, not the I?
Because the rules.
The rule, what are the rules?
I don't know, I saw them on page.
I'll skip it in.
What's it?
It's on the E, not on the I.
Is it like with strings?
Yeah, check.
Okay. So what do we think?
Goes at the beginning of the final, always,
Let's follow this rule.
not.
A, E, I, O, U. See? E comes before I, so it's on the E, not the I.
Interesting.
Alright, it's on the E, not the I.
So we just have to memorize that order.
Yes,
And
but there is one exception, it's I-U. Right, like Joe, J-I-U. The only
Oh, for
exception
nine,
is,
introduce the number 9.
I-U.
Anything is an IU.
Anything like I-U.
It's 9.
Like Pijo?
Pijo, yeah, Pijo, the Joe is the same different, it's different.
But it's still.
So I-U, only I-U is different, because see,
No.
I come before you, so it should be on the I, right, but it's on the U.
Like Cal would be that too.
Yes.
No.
No. Okay, so only I-U is except the rest of them follow this rule, A-I-O-U.
Okay, so
Okay.
I didn't know that.
Page 24 says AOEI. Something. AOEIU.
Page 24.
No, in Mandarin.
Oh.
Yeah, what's first?
Yeah.
Yeah, AOEIU.
Oh, yeah.
The umlaut.
No, yeah.
A-O-E-I.
I think you got it backwards a little bit, Andrea.
But umlaut doesn't.
Yeah. It's our order of English alphabet.
Yeah, that's how we do our vowels. When we say them, I think it should be AOEIU. See that on 24 in the gray box?
Yes.
Right there. Toe marks are
Okay,
placed
whichever
above the
way is
main
easier
vowel.
for you to remember. This is easier way for me to remember. Okay, this is easier for me to
That's,
remember.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use that,
Sometimes.
the cover as well, or you can use this. This is helping, this is easier. Okay,
Yeah,
this is A-I-O-U. Okay.
But again, that's only in writing.
It's just saying the tone mark.
Okay.
Okay.
Where you put the emphasis.
Yeah, accurate, yes.
No.
Okay, so we have we got the, so this time you will have a little bit more work, okay, just
Yeah.
full package, fun,
20.
not 20 pages, maybe next time. It's like a
What's
lot.
20?
I know, it's very long.
But my daughter, they were crying when they do their homework, they have 15 pages of homework.
Did they do
Chinese
that?
order?
Just little Chinese.
I'm gonna have to like. You're creating core memories for
I
this.
was laughing. I was laughing so hard because
Core memories.
because Amelia, she's first grade, and she ran it take her 4 days to write down. And Emma, the older one, was laughing at her. I said, Emma, you gotta try on Saturday because we have 15 pages. And she was laughing at Amelia. I said, you finished all this day, you still have 8 pages. Emma,
Does it sound like this? Is writing characters over and over again?
they have writing character and then which order and all that. You guys have workbook too. You guys have workbook.
My daughter did not.
Oh, you did your work?
Stop it. That's why it looks so neat and clean.
Yes.
Alright, so this is the vocab.
Oh, my.
Oh, I don't have a white.
Alright, let's look at the grammar.
What's life doing for you?
Let's look at the grammar, page 4. And look at this grammar.
Page 3.
That's 10. 4 is 4. Okay. I need somebody to read the first for me. Why don't we have, okay. Okay, cool. 我姓王. Garrett, you read the first one for me?
What, under grammar, where am I reading?
On the grammar, the first example.
First example.
The 我, it's right here.
上网
Oh, 我姓王.
Oh, how? Okay, Alan, can you read number 2 for me, please?
我姓李，
Why does it have to be like that? Okay, then third one, you can help me.
我姓张，
我姓张, and how, so Sing is just for your last name, dedicated for your last name. So why don't you write down 我姓 and your last name on your cover, on your textbook.
Say obscenity if I write my last name.
Sing is just for last name. So 我姓 Voelker. Okay, so what about you?
我姓
Voelker.
你姓傅 Okay. Okay, write it down. 我姓傅 我姓傅
Opinion or writing character?
You're writing character. Pinyin is to help you to pronounce the word, but eventually if you go to China or you go to Taiwan, there's no pinyin on the
this is beautiful work.
That's
No, there's English on both sides. Only highway. Alright, so
I want you to write down your last name. 我姓 your last name. Maybe Eric can write down 我姓杨, right?
Oh, Yang is hard.
That's a sheep, right?
That's
No.
Garrett, Vicky was laughing at you. I told the story of us writing the name, and I was complaining about two, and then you showed me yours.
Yeah, much worse.
Yes. That's my mom favorite.
Yeah, she went to a fortune teller.
What?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
It's serious business name.
Yeah. She had the books.
Oh, like you have your own Chinese.
Chinese,
What's it break down to? What's it
Oh,
literally?
his Chinese name is so hard. Chinese person can't even write it down. Let me
Yes.
show you what's his
I think
Chinese name.
so.
我姓 My goal is for Garrett to write down his own Chinese name at the end. Zong.
Yang Zong.
Ray.
Copied it into translate. Hold on.
Yang Zong Ray. Ray means kind of like wise wisdom. Okay, that's the Chinese
We
name.
can actually look at the jutsu or what's it called? Not pinyin, like dream. And then could we? But there's not any others. You stop it.
Okay.
Aber is it the English give a sound like T get E? So probably the sound.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start from Andrew. Can you tell me what's your
我姓 wrestler。
what's your Bryson? How about other?
我姓傅。
我姓傅. You're singing and missing a part.
Yeah, right.
You're singing missing a part.
Oh, anyway.
And G.
How about Cody? Can you say 我姓 what's his name?
我姓贝克。
贝克. Okay.
贝克。
Okay. Egan. Oh.
我姓一个人。
很好。
我姓 Messemer。
我姓 Messemer.
我姓 Voelker.
我姓 Voelker. So sing is for dedicated only for your last name.
This is.
So-
do what's it?
Okay. So sing and then 叫. Then we're talking about another word called 叫. Okay. So 叫 you can say 有的手边很紫色。So
It looks
sing.
like Korean.
This one look like Korean to you?
The characters are
Korean to me.
Is this even in your thing? The
That's a literal letter for letter.
Oh, you want to do the pinyin? E.
Not pinyin the
注音.
dream.
That's
Is it literally a gun?
that's a letter for letter translation. Yeah.
Yeah, the literal character. Oh, but we have fun. I'm doing two separate. Oh, we do have one for how do we do it?
Okay. So 叫. 叫, what's the difference between 叫 and 姓? 叫 is your first name or your full name. 我叫富康 or 我叫康. That makes sense?
Yeah, what's
This is for your 叫 is for your first name or your full name. 姓 is dedicated for your last name. That's it.
What's your name?
So what's your name? You can say 我姓杨，叫晶晶。Okay, 我姓傅，叫康。Alright, so that's the proper way. 我姓傅，叫康。我姓Messenger，叫 Alan. Okay, so 我姓 something. Always say your last name first, because our last name goes first. Since his last name goes first. 我姓杨，叫钟瑞。Okay. 我姓傅，叫康。That's the only difference between, or you can say 我叫傅康。对。But if you say 我姓傅叫康, people know you know more. Oh, because you know the difference.
Is that like so?
我姓傅。
Yeah, so we will. Yeah, so like 我姓傅叫 and then
康 or you can say 我叫傅康 but you say 我姓傅叫康 is more like you know more, you know more. 我姓傅叫康 so that's the only difference. It's all grammar just telling you.
I have a quick question. When you translate American names into Chinese, you still do it how we do it in the West. Put first name first and last name second. Right? You don't say like Schwarzenegger.
No.
Arnold. You say Arnold Schwarzenegger.
So Arnold Schwarzenegger, how do you say his last name? Schwarzenegger. Okay, his Chinese name is 阿诺施瓦辛格. So 施瓦辛格 is his last name. Okay.
You don't
say it's famous, or did you just make the spot?
We just make it up that.
We believe you.
Look it up.
Make it up on spot. You won't know.
Okay.
You will know.
That's funny.
Yeah, 阿诺 and then 施瓦辛格 is his last name.
Let me hear you say Barack Obama in your accent.
Barack Obama 是什么？Obama is Obama.
Probably no.
Yeah,
Obama.
Obama. Okay, Obama.
What about Trump?
川普.
They say it differently in mainland China, don't they?
I think so, but I don't know how to say it in Trump. Trump is Trump. Alright.
Interesting.
Okay, so why don't we do this little bit of exercise on your book? Can you put them in the correct order?
Oh, on page 5?
Page 5,对, page 5.
What's page in Chinese?
第五页. 第 means the ordinal number, so 第五 means the fifth page.
Okay.
Okay, 第一 means your first. Okay.
You don't say bar.
Oh, so Nidi, like you're first. Nidi.
Nidi.
You need an order there. You're first. You should be or Nidi.
你第一 then you're first.
You're number one. As in like a race, or you're the first one to come, or the first one you get listen to. Like, okay, you're number one.
Your number one is 你第一, but your number one, your first place is 第一名. Okay, the first one.
Okay.
Alright, I'm confusing you.
No, I would say I wish they had on the page number. They wrote in the beginning
On
the symbol for the number.
You can make it.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So 1 and 2, so 1, 2 is first.
Okay, let's do 一二 to see if we kind of get it. Okay.
Okay.
Question 1.
That's 1, 2.
Yeah, it's just 1, 2 right now.
Oh, it's a time.
We just put the word.
不是 drawing, 是 writing.
No drawing. No.
It's a stroke word for wall.
Wall, yes.
Yeah, actually.
That's my daughter. They are learning this. This is like, the wall looks so.
Hey, it's you. I'll learn. Amelia.
Okay. The wall. Oh, actually, I have a website. I'm gonna open this website.
So you can see it over and over and over.
Yeah, you can see over.
That is brilliant, actually. I think all the money and all the apps, the developers who use to make language accessible.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is a pioneer.
Engine you up. Yeah. No,
This one is pretty good. Which one? Oh, you get.
Yes, I know. Because football was in there. 我这个是 Chinese.
There we go.
Oh, that's neat. Okay, that is neat.
Alright. We love it.
That's what it is. I can't remember.
You just search Chinese short order on your, you can see, you can find.
Okay, so
See, this is all with calligraphy. That's why it will look so pretty. You don't have to write this pretty.
We jump around or did I lose track?
I'm sorry.
and
Did you
then
jump around or did I lose track?
If you jump around.
No, I thought we were doing the.
The activity. We're all over the place now.
Oh, well, I'm sorry.
I did them in order.
Oh,
I did them in order.
Okay. But I would love you to write down the character.
Oh,
Yes.
even though I said so.
I want to trace mine to write down E and R.
I went on the same thing.
almost like probably not within them.
Okay.
To do that.
This is awesome. Now can I watch you a native in practice? Write the word I, but naturally, don't do it as a teacher. You're writing to a friend. Full Chinese to Chinese. I want to see you naturally do this. Boom, boom, got it.
Yeah.
It's probably native. How do you feel about
Too better be.
it?
You sure? Maybe I'm teaching you Japanese. You don't know. They also have maybe teaching Chinese. Nobody knows, right? Okay, wall, and then the second one is what?
Oh.
What do we want? The second one.
Oh.
Sing.
She read that. It's long. There's a lot.
Yeah, why did they write Lee?
Yeah, I don't know. Because they probably think you guys haven't.
Yeah, you can show us the character for Lee, just so.
Lee, oh, you want to write down the character for Lee? Okay.
Who needs something?
Okay, sing.
Last name.
Okay, what sing?
So here's a question. If this acts as a verb, we don't have a verb in English. Like, what's your, it's not, the verb is to be. What is your last name? You in Chinese can use it as a verb or is it a noun?
This is the
你的姓吗?
You can say 你的姓是什么, but that would be like you do a circle just asking.
My father.
Yeah.
Right, so it wouldn't be natural at all.
We don't say 你的姓是什么, 我觉得
We understand, but if you know someone, but you, like, you know them pretty well, but you forgot the last name, would you still say, we need a sheet?
What do we say? Or is it 你姓什么?
You like, so for example,
一姓or
你贵姓? 你贵姓? 你贵姓 is more like when you first met someone.
Yeah.
But kind of like,
You say which name?
你姓什么?
Like the question is
I know a lot of
Since
these
it's the
friends,
name.
I only know about their
It's
names.
not a yes or
I'm
no.
gonna ask them, hey, like, I've known you for 5 years, but I don't actually know your name. What's your name?
What's your name? Okay, you can say,
Yeah.
you can practice, you can say 你贵姓, okay? 你贵姓. They will be like, huh? They will be ask you to say it again because they wouldn't know like 你贵姓. And then they will tell you, oh, 我姓王, 姓, and then you can say 那你叫什么? 你叫什么?
Okay.
God, it's a layered question.
对，你贵姓.
Double layered question.
Okay.
Like, oh, 我姓, like, what, 你叫什么?
Because sometimes
Okay.
I don't even know your first name. If
Right, it's a professional.
yeah, I don't even know your first name. 你贵姓.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we call like we say 杨老师. We always address our first last name and your the title.
Right.
Okay, 李医生, Dr. Lee. Something like that. We don't need your first name. If I wanted your first name, that means I want to know you more, and I'll ask what your first name. Usually, you don't need people's first name. All right. So where are we? Do we?
Looks like all your wives want to do it anymore.
Alright.
Cross that bridge.
Everyone should be happy they're not watching the Cowboys game.
Cowboys.
They're awful.
Okay, are we done? The first one.
And you guys need
We met
to.
online.
Oh,
She
fun.
flew over.
Oh, she's very brave then.
Not mail over, yeah.
Thank you, but I was like, it was a time, the 80s was a time to fly.
Safe, everything's safer.
Pre-internet, yeah.
Okay, so the first one, can someone read? Okay, why don't I have like Andrew? Why don't you read your answer for me? The first one, I'll write it.
我姓王。
好，我姓王，OK，我，and then 姓王。Okay. Connor.
You want to do number 2?
对，
So it's 我
嗯哼，
Okay. It goes 3, 2, 1. No, that's okay.
Phone a friend.
What's
Jiao.
Jiao? Whoa, Jiao.
And then that's just a name, okay? Mingwen.
Mingwen.
Yeah, Mingwen.
That'll be good.
Okay. Do we have all this?
对，
Good, good. 好。
课本绘本会去放到
耶，谢谢，太好了。
我
那Google Drive。
Is it Google Drive?
Wonderful. Would you say your comprehension entirely for speaking?
Yes.
Give me a number, 0 to 100.
这是课本
100 to 11.
100's her level?
But don't be modest either.
Terms
Be
of
honest. Be
speaking?
honest.
15%.
Of understanding,
Oh, of understanding.
comprehension.
You gotta give me some brackets, like, if I'm just listening to her
Her and her mom.
talking,
Her and her mom in the kitchen. And you're actually paying
40%.
active or inactive, or you're actively paying attention.
I'm actively paying attention.
And then they switched to Taiwanese, so.
Yeah, they don't want me to listen, they switch to time.
good.
But if we're talking politics, the vocabulary goes up.
No, of course.
But most of their conversations are about
Food.
kids and food.
No, right.
How cold it is.
We're all saying the same.
Why are we
thing.
not
No
wearing
one's-
slippers?
No one's saying. Yeah, we're all saying the same thing.
My turn doesn't wear shoes in the house.
Yeah.
Turn it down and open
Yeah,
it.
for me, like, I would say it's the same, so like, we're having a conversation, and I'll chime in English about something, no one can be like, well, we know you didn't understand what you said. Like, how did you know, or not specifically you, but like Otto and all of them.
Oh.
Yeah, like, so they'll be talking, her neighbor, call him Big Head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big.
McDonald's.
But my wife and them will be talking, and I'll chime in together, like, no, that didn't happen, this did happen. And they'll look at me and they're like,
Oh, no.
like,
But did you understand?
I knew what they were saying, but only in the context of I kind of understood what they were talking about, and then what had maybe previously happened. Like,
Context of experience and then context of the words, right?
yeah, but I couldn't tell you like verbal, like, oh, they said this,
Right,
no. But I know, like, no, they were talking about this that happened earlier in the day, and then that,
How long have you been married?
5 years.
5 years. Okay, 5 years ago.
Stop.
5 years ago, you don't know a little bit of Chinese at all. Now there's a level of comprehension.
Less than Garrett, but
More than you ever imagined in your life.
But I've been married
Yeah.
twice as
You would
long.
understand.
Yeah,
Twice
we,
as
we married 13 years, okay? The 13th year, 第13年。
You'll be ahead of me.
Yes, you'll be ahead.
I can
yeah.
keep practicing.
Okay, so the next grammar we want to learn is 是, okay? So next grammar we want to learn is 是.
Or not to be.
Oh, I have not go over the, okay, I have not go over this part yet. Why don't I have, Cody, can you help me with this part?
213.
你是
我叫王明文。
OK， 很好。我叫王明文。来，一个老师 got the longest one. I know you've been looking for.
可以。我姓李，我叫 Gloria。
哦，很好。说，我姓李，3、1、2，叫 Gloria。
Oh, just 叫 Gloria.
Yeah, you don't have to repeat the.
Can I use the verb 姓
姓。那姓。姓。
Almost sounds like sing in English, but sing. Sing. I gotta find something that sounds something.
That what does it sound like in English? Sing.
Sounds like SHIH.
S-H-I.
But it's spelled, it's written with an X.
Sing.
Sing.
Sing. So it is a sh sound.
Yeah.
Sing.
Sing.
Got it.
Okay, so 我姓李. Alright, if you want to know Li, they look like this. Alright, you will learn Li. Li is木子李. You say 木, see, remember the 木? We learned last time 木子, this is right? 木子李.
Tree, something on a tree.
Yeah, this is Li. Li.
I know this one.
OK，我姓李叫 Gloria，我姓李叫 Gloria。Right?
Is that Bruce Lee's name?
That's Bruce Lee, yes. That's Bruce Lee.
I know there's a different.
Okay, so 是 is to be. Alright, so if you wanna say 是 is more like is,
Right.
and are, it depends on your pronoun. Alright, so 是 could be is, am, and are.
So like, I am Connor, it's like, 我是 Connor.
OK， 我是 Connor， 他是 Andrew。
他
Oh,
he or he.
He is Connor， 他是 Andrew， 你是 Cody。OK，
Or what about like, this is Cody? Would you say that?
这是
这是 Cody。We do have this is.
So it doesn't like conjugate.
We do
No,
this.
I mean, just imagine être for everything.
他们是
他们是
It
just-
It just do not conjugate the verb. So although we do three, I am, you are, he, she is, it's just one word in Chinese.
Yeah. We don't need to conjugate.
They are, I am, we are. Sure.
Yeah, so if you can write it down for me, 是 is, am, and are.
Yeah.
是 means all three. It depends on your pronoun.
Alright, so and I go make like a little house line.
You do
line.
this, and then this,
Yeah.
this, close it. This is a 日, okay? This is a 日, right? We learned this.
No.
Yeah, and a
Oh.
line of this, this,
Okay.
this, and then you go.
And it connects.
Yes.
I'm just curious. 'Cause-
Connor, do you have experience in Spanish?
Yes.
Okay, so remember the essence of stare and estar, and now you're picking?
Yeah.
That doesn't exist in Chinese, it's just that's
No,
not.
I get to know conjugate.
Oh, right.
是
I
它是
just want to say like in English, you're like, hey, I'm this. I'm introducing other people. Instead of like he is this, he is this, he is
Yeah.
this. It's just like sometimes you say, hi, I'm Connor. This is, this
Yeah,
is
we
my
do have
bio,
this is, we do have this, 这是
Yeah.
like 这 is this, yeah. 我那是 that one. Okay, that is. Okay, so 是. So you can see, this is just, okay, what do we have?
That makes sense, yeah.
Yeah.
我是明文，
我是明文, that's right. I am.
是 Gloria。
So this is Cody.
Gloria。
我是 Gloria, and 我是台湾人 Gloria Lee 是美国人 This also 是 is, right? It's
So
all
Gloria
is.
Lee is American。
I am.
不是台湾人。
我不是台湾 that's right. Okay, 我是美国人，不是台湾人 So in here is I am, right? But in here, Gloria Lee 是 means she is. So
So
yes, American person.
Oh, okay.
So we say 美国 and then 人 See Taiwan, the country, and the 人 alright?
Taiwan person.
台湾 and the
So if
person.
I want to say America, it's 美国。
对
Okay.
That's right. Oh, that's right.
So Taiwan is just the same. Taiwan.
对台湾 is this is the word Taiwan.
What does that mean? I'm sure that means something. What is the real name of Taiwan? What does that literally mean?
Formosa.
Formosa, yes, beautiful island.
Taiwan.
Oh,
I think Taiwan is an old. I think it's an aboriginal name, and they
I'm sure it means something literally. Something beautiful island or
Beautiful
something.
island.
Formosa means beautiful island.
Right, I'm sure.
Portuguese.
So.
Okay.
Formosa.
So, yes, what happens?
Uh,
I have a little bit of homework for you. I want to explain the homework and that's it for
You
today.
say little bitty. Very relative.
How do you say?
Compared to 15 pages,
How busy is my daughter?
Yeah.
What's here?
With that.
Homework?
作业
Oh.
功课作业
Why difference?
I don't know.
Do two way.
Gongke is something about a work class. So something.
功课
Class is
class.
class. So
Yeah.
Gongren is a word.
So work class or
作业 You have to put two together, okay? Sometimes it makes two
you
separate.
get two words for the word for homework.
but this is a workbook, so this
That's the
is.
workbook. That's 作业本
Oh, yeah.
But
作业本
but
But you do have extra, but the 作业本 only teach you the vocab on the 作业, but we learn about numbers today, and I want you to practice the pronouns too. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna give you the answer.
Okay.
So,
That was just a pleasure.
written, person, right, so.
Why Baker Hunt?
Beckham.
Beckham is your last name?
Oh,
Baker's my last name, but
Okay.
my wife picked it for me, and Beckham, David Beckham.
Okay, let's look at the 作业 real quick. You see the 1、2、3、4、5、6 and it has a short order for you. Yeah, we're Chinese go from the right to left. Alright. So 1、2、3 we write from the top to the bottom, so your workbook is from the top, and then you can see the little bit short order. Alright, and then flip to the second page. The first word I want you to write down the pinyin with the toe mark. Alright, let's do it together. Let's write down pinyin and the toe mark, and then you can follow the order, and then and then write it.
We get all the way to 10, but what is it, 11 and 12?
That's what I'm gonna show you.
12 is you, right? Like me.
This is ni and I. Alright, the third toe mark. Ni. Okay, ni means you. You write down the meaning too. Okay, write down. I want you to write down the toe mark and the meaning for it.
So it's me.
Ni. Ni. Third toe.
Yeah. Okay.
Third toe going down and up. Ni. The second word looks crazy. Anyone want to guess?
Is it
What-
0?
对
I've seen that before. Yeah. Yeah.
我知道。
I've seen that. Wait, what means 0?
And then so Chinese.
Oh, I wrote it. That was a Duolingo one.
and then 0.
原来是这种。
It's lean. Okay, how come they're doing this and flat? There are both ways to do it. You can do it the flat way. You can do it the up and down. Yeah, they both work.
And it's up, lean.
Lean going up. Lean going up.
Who's there?
Lean. Oh, I need to tell you the toe mark for the 1, 2, 6, 2, right?
I think
You do the
we have, yeah, we have this.
You have that?
Yes.
I'll show you real quick.
Alright.
我要知道。
1、
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9。
2、
Basically, it's
3、4、5、
这是老师。
6、7、8、
你
9、10。See the IU? Okay, you can circle the IU. Only IU is like exception.
七
7、
seven 七
8。
She doesn't know that. Chia pet. The little pot those.
I know. I don't know the song. I don't know the song go with.
You don't know the song that goes.
I had the crush.
Yeah, I had a Homer
Thank you so much.
Marge Simpson one.
Oh, good. Was it good?
I think it was.
Oh, I think I called the wrong one because Connor look at number 9 too. I think you were right. Okay, so write down the pinyin and the toe mark, please. I'm on the third page. The third page has lots of characters.
How?
Oh, I'm gonna ask you guys to come up and write down to see if we got the correct order, okay? At least for this one.
Yes.
Okay.
You can know.
Oh, it's cold. It's broken. It's one.
Okay, how? What's how?
Good.
Good. Just the word. Just this word itself can be good. It's good. Okay, how? Write down the pinyin and the toe mark, please.
Is this how, as in okay how? Like,
Yeah, how.
how?
It's the same how. 你好的好. Yes.
Your.
What's this
Oh,
word?
your.
Very.
Oh, yeah.
Or it's not necessarily very, it could be a descriptor.
There is the to be but with adjectives.
Like, oh, very good.
I am tall. 我很高.
So it's not just very, it could be,
Not just very.
it could be
Before
to be too, or descriptor. It's.
For adjectives.
the adjective you put 很 in front of it. 我很
我很累，我很累，
累。
吗
What?
Because it's a temporary state. It's not permanent.
Yes.
Got it.
Alright, so 很 is very, okay? 他, okay, you see, the next three, they're all pronouncing ta, okay? The first part means it.
The accent of grog? No, it's
long.
Flat. It's flat.
So this is just
Okay,
objects.
So it's it.
Next one is
it,
email.
she, and he.
Okay, with this topic, I was just asking Cody, in the sense of it's cold, it's broken.
We don't have it, we just say
Is it-
hello.
So can you give me an example of top with this example?
This is the animal ta.
This is for animals?
It's for animal, like it,
For like garbage.
yeah,
Look,
something like that.
乐色
Look, means
反正也没觉
like
得看的。
Trash.
Oh.
Well, you can call that because it's an object.
Oh, we don't really use, we don't.
Give it to
You
me.
don't normally do that.
我他给我他 Give it to me.
Give it to me. Just say 给我.
Yeah.
给我
Like, you give all, give it to me.
Can I do an example of how then with the word of it?
With it just kind of like in the writing, you wanna, in the novel, in the book, you wanna say this it. Okay, you can say it to specify. It's not.
Oh, to replace
he,
the word
it's
we're
not
talking about.
he, yes.
Or like, what if we're eating food and like, it's really good? But you just say,
Oh, so just say 好吃. So this is more like using the written language, okay? Because at the
So
novel,
he has a car, period. It is new and red.
okay,
That would be it.
that would be it, yes.
Got it, okay.
So you're not talking about him.
We're replacing the, got it. Got it.
Okay, the last word is 我一个我 me or I 我 the last word. So this is your homework, just this packet. Maybe you guys want to practice. Let me see, can I see the workbook, please?
really, I don't know.
Can I see
Well,
the
sure, it's 5:30.
workbook? 5:30?
And your birthday, and you the sugar.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Alright,
生日快乐。
生日快乐，谢谢。Okay, the audio, we'll try to find out the audio book for the, you guys.
I'm just gonna have you read it to me.
Oh, it's on the,
Oh, do you need?
It's on the website.
it's on the Bayou world.
You found out the audio book too?
Yeah.
It's on that link you gave us.
Talk to
Tina Lausch, whoever was.
Is it too little homework, just one package, or you want more?
I mean, we're the advanced club.
The advanced class, so then why don't we do? How many pages?
We're going to off. My daughter.
So the child labor.
One, two.
No, she asked me.
Okay, why don't we do 1, 2 on your workbook?
All right, 1, 2, I think.
Just 1, 2 is okay?
Yes,
ER.
page 2.
Yeah, ER is very easy, okay? For the ABC, you actually have to write down the character, not the ABC, okay, please?
So in the workbook, the
In the
green.
workbook,